Alam mo ba na pwede ka mag-refinance kahit isang taon pa lang mula nang bumili ka ng bahay? Marami nagsasabi kailangan daw maghintay ng 2 o 3 taon. A lot of homeowners think loyalty to their bank will be rewarded. But the reality is, your current lender might not be offering you the best deal anymore. Rates change, your property value changes, and your financial goals shift. Ito yung hindi sinasabi ng iba. Kung tumaas ang value ng bahay mo o bumaba ang interest rate sa ibang bangko, pwede kang lumipat agad. Minsan makakakuha ka pa ng cashback na magagamit mo para sa renovation o emergency fund. It's not about being unloyal. It's about making your loan work as hard as you do. Even if you've only had your home for 12 months, quick review could open up serious savings. I've seen clients drop their monthly payments just by moving to a lender that fits them better now. Kung mahigit isang taon ka na sa bahay mo at hindi mo alam kung nasa tamang rate ka pa, pag-usap tayo. No obligation, no commitment. I-message mo lang ang salitang refi and let's see if there's a better deal waiting for you.